Here you go. Here, Nicoya. Woo! She got it. She got it. Go get her. Ah, boom. Can you give it to Nicoya? Oh. There you go, Nicoya. Isn't she gentle? Oh! Whoa! The story is, I found this ball in the dollar aisle at Target for Griffin, and I was taking the tag off when we got home, and it's actually a dog toy, but he loves it and Nicoya loves it, so they're sharing. You're sharing with Nicoya, right, Griffin? You sharing that squeaky ball? Your squeaky ball? Here you go, Nicoya. I guess she doesn't want it right now. Here, Nicoya. Can you can you throw it for Nicoya? Yay! Good job! She's excited when you throw it for her. Here you go, Nicoya. Here, Nicoya. Oh, good job, Griffin. Should we throw it for her? Griffin, ready? 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 We're gonna throw it for Nicoya? Go get it, Nicoya.